and Music Mafia, जो आपका brand name है, company name है. So any science behind it?
So Mafia for me is not crime. Is basically more of a character. So the character who knows what he wants and how he wants it. Similarly, that is the same vibe, a personality I tend to follow on stage and off stage.
Okay.
So I want to be the best in whatever I'm doing, but the art has a lot of learning on a day-to-day basis. I'm not saying that I'm perfect. I'm still learning, and for me that is more important to portray that. And being of an unconventional mind, I really don't bother of what people have perceptions about me. It's what I want, how I want, and that is making me move towards that.
Okay.
Personally also, which defines Mafia
As a character.
as a character.
Okay. And any specific type of music that you would like to play?
See, I play music what people want to listen.
Okay.
It's not that I want to cater something to. There is a small bit of portion that I would love to always experiment, that I have tried in the studios that I've made, and let's try and experiment how that vibes with the people. But on an average and majority, sorry, not on an majorly, I love to play what they want to listen.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, checking out the people's energy uh, and giving the music that they require is what I always believe is the art of DJing.
So as a company, Music Mafia, do you have any USPs?
There's no particular USP as such. Majorly, my USP is to have to play music on the stage uh, where people are vibing, people are connecting with me, connecting with my music, the energy
How do
that
you
I and the
understand
energy
it?
that I am giving them.
Okay.
See, it's like it's been so many years. Also, I have been a party animal, and now I'm on the stage where I make people dance. So वो एनर्जी वो एक 15 minutes हाफ एन आवर में पता चल जाता है. I mean, that is what the art is. That is what you really require as a DJ. That you need to know what your audience are. You need to know what your audience want.
Okay.
There are a lot of factors related to that. The resident DJ who plays generally before a guest artist, what he's playing, what are they vibing on, what quality, what type of songs are there. People playing Justin Bieber, so we understand it's Gen Z, millennial, both the audience are vibing on. Just an example. So that is what small things have to be really very observed when you get onto the console and when you play the main set.
Okay. And what is your favorite?
My favorite currently is Sufi Tech that we are creating. We are creating that vibe.
I've seen some of your videos about Sufi takes. So anything that you are experimenting specifically for this genre?
We actually want people to listen to this side of music as well, because generally this has always been wherein you are with your close ones or with your friends and you're just vibing on. It's like a piece of you need peace, for example. So generally this I want to get. Before that, my manager and my partner, we were sitting after the show, and so my manager just played one song and I was like, यार बंद कर दे यार, अभी इतना म्यूजिक सुन के आए हैं, कुछ और चालू करते हैं. And so we happened to start a Nusrat Fateh Ali Khan song,
Okay.
which we all vibed, and we said that this is something which is never. And my manager being a Gen Z, and we were like, let's try this. And we started this. We made a tech house of remix of that song, and we played it at one of the clubs in Bangalore, and the response was tremendous. And that's when we were like, let's focus on this.
It's like giving after party vibes.
It is not after party vibes. In fact, it is between the party. It
Okay.
is. It's my normal when we play a normal set. It's in between that. It's like a collaboration of love songs with Qawwali.
Acha.
It's when you're as a DJ, so we don't have a pre-mix set. We vibe with as what I said. We just check the energy of the crowd, and we have this a small bit of like 20% of my set wherein I want to focus more on love songs, more on breakup songs, because it's like it's first of all it's at the end of the set, it's about to the club is about to shut, and वहाँ पे तो सब they are all high, they are all vibing with the music and all. So वो चीज़ एक फैक्टर जो रहती है ना, तो वो हम लोग हमेशा एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं, और वहाँ पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपेरिमेंट करता हूँ.